Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to take the screenshot of web pages using Python Selenium framework, even your test case is pass or fail. So let's start it. So first of all, we'll use this Google websites. We open this using Selenium Python. Then we verify one test case, title test case, and then we take the screenshots and then close the browser. So go to PyCharm. So here already I have written the code, so let's understand this code. So the first two lines, these are import statement. So we need to import different libraries. So from Selenium we import WebDriver. So this line provides a way to interact with web browsers. Then the second lines, from Selenium WebDriver common by import by. So here these lines provide a way to specify mechanism used to locate elements on web page. So we need to import these two statements. Now the next part of code is setting up Chrome options. So here options is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome options and options dot add experimental underscore option into bracket detach comma true. So here Chrome options create a new instance of Chrome options, and the add an experimental option add an experimental option to keep the browser window open even after this script finishes execution. Means if your script get finishes, even your browser get open, or it will stay open. So that's why this line option add experimental option is used. Now the next line of the code is the launching the browser. Here driver is equal to webdriver.chrome options. So here this code launches a new instance of the Chrome options with specified options. So now next, so navigating to Google. So now to navigate the Google, we can use driver.get and link. So this code navigates to the Google website. Now maximize the browser window. So here driver.maximize window, this will maximize your browser. And now our test case. So here we find the title and driver.title and keep it in actual title, then print the actual title. Then we know the what's the actual title. Then we compare actual title is equal to expected title. Then our test case will pass, else our test case will fail. So after the verifying the page title, we will see the how to take the screenshot. Then driver dot save underscore screenshot into bracket, we can give the name as screenshot.png. By using this code statement, we can take the screenshot, and finally we will close the browser. So let's start to run the program. So click on this button or right click and run screenshot. So here you can see our code is running, and I will see how it opening the browsers, verifying the test, and then take the screenshot. Yeah, here it started. So you can see our test case is running, our browser is opening. Now our browser is opened. Now it get maximized. Yeah, so browser is open, it get maximized, and our title test case also verified, but we commented close code. So here you can see our title is Google, our test case passed. So our this code is run successfully. Now we see the screenshot. So go to the screenshot. Here we can see it takes the screenshot of web page. So as this way we can take the screenshot of any web page, even the test case is pass or fail. If you want to capture the screenshot of only failed test cases, then you can see my next video. Thanks for watching this video.